Today we are going to discuss about discrete series. In the previous class we have discussed about discrete series and we have calculated arithmetic mean by using two methods. One is direct method and the other one is shortcut method, that is also known as assumed mean method. In this class we are going to take the same example and we are going to discuss the other two methods we use to find arithmetic mean. One method is step deviation method and the other method is shortest method. First we will discuss about step deviation method. Let us start. The question I am repeating once again. From the following data relating to daily wages of certain workers in a cement factory, find out the average of wages by different methods. So this is the table will be given and we are assumed one value from the series, that is known as assumed mean. This is known as assumed mean. Let us start how we are going to calculate the mean for step division method. So for step division method, x bar equal to a plus sigma of f d dash divided by n into c. C is nothing but our common factor. D dash equal to x minus a divided by c. So to refer about these methods, you can go to the previous videos and refer what we have done in the individual sheets. So this one is x bar equal to a is our assumed mean plus sigma of fd dash divided by n into c. C is the common factor. D dash here is equal to x minus a divided by c, which is also we can write d by c, because our d is nothing but x minus a divided by c. So let us start how we are going to calculate x bar. So to calculate x bar, first we need to find d, that is x minus a. This is called d. So we have assumed the mean as 15. So d is for first case 15. 5 minus 15 is minus 10. Then 10 minus 15 is minus 5. 15 minus 15 is 0. 20 minus 15 is 5. 25 minus 15 is 10. How we are going to calculate d dash? D dash equal to x minus a divided by c. X minus a divided by c. C is the common factor. If we see here, our common factor, if in the division, if we see, this value can be easily divided by 5. What is the division value? If we see the series, these all the values can be divided by 5 easily, because 5 is here the number. 10 minus 10 minus 5, 0, 5 and 10. So we can take c as 5. C equal to 5. C is our common factor. Now we can divide x minus a by c. So how much this one will come? This is minus 2. This is minus 1. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. So why do we go for this step division method? Because in this case, if you see, it makes the calculation very simple. So that's why we take the use of step deviation method. Now what do we need to find? We need to find sigma of FD dash. So for sigma of FD dash, what we need to do? We can multiply D dash with F. So now we do FD dash. So for this, we need to multiply D dash with our frequency. So how much it will come? 15 into minus 2, that is minus 30. Then 17 into minus 1 is minus 17. Then 13 into 0 is 0. 30 into 1 is 30. 30. Then 5 into 2 is 10. So for this, what we need to find? We need to find sigma of FT dash here. Sigma of FT dash, which is equal to 30. 30 is cancelled. Then minus 17 plus 10 is minus 7. What do we need extra here? We need N. N we know. N is our sigma of F. N is nothing but our sigma of F. N equal to sigma of F. So sigma of F here we got 80, which is equal to 80 sigma of F. So we can now put all the values to our formula. So let us put it. X bar equal to A is 50 plus sigma of FD dash is minus 7 divided by N equal to 80 into 5. 5 is our common factor. So what we can do here? 50 plus, how much it will come? It can come minus 35 divided by 80. So which is equal to 15 minus 0.44, which is equal to 14.56 is our X bar. So in our previous class also we have discussed the direct method and shortcut method. In both the methods we got our mean as 14.56. Now we can check our answer for the step deviation method, and for step deviation method the answer is 14.56. Now we can move to the next method, that is called shortest method. So let us start. Taste. So to find X bar equal to X minus I into F1 minus 1. X last value in the series when Einstein ascending order. is I? I is the interval in common. What is F1? F1 equal to sigma of CF divided by N. CF is the cumulative frequency. These things we have already discussed for individual series. So you can go for referring the videos. So now let us start how to calculate the X bar for shortest method. So what do you need to find in this case? First, to find in this case, we have to arrange the series in an ascending order. If you see here, the series is already arranged in ascending order. If the series is not arranged, then we have to arrange the series. But in this case, the series is arranged in ascending order, so no need to arrange it further. So we can take the last value, this value as 25. So now this is our X value. That is the last value in the series when arranged in ascending order. As the series is arranged in ascending order, so no need to say arrange it. So we have directly we can take the last value as 25. Now what is next? We need to find F1, we need to find the cumulative frequency. So if you see here, the frequency we know. So what is the cumulative frequency here? We can calculate the cumulative frequency. This is the frequency. We can find the cumulative frequency here. Actually, this method is very much used for where the frequency is there. Means for discrete series. Okay. So here we can write as cumulative frequency. This is 15. 15 plus 17 is 32. 32 plus 13. 32 plus 13 is coming 45. 45 plus 30 is coming 75. 75 plus 5 is 80. So, what is sigma of CF? This is our cumulative frequency. So, what do we need to find here? We need to find the sigma of CF. So, sigma of CF is equal to, we go on adding 15 plus 32 plus 45 plus 75 plus 80. So, this we can write as 247. Now X value we know. I is nothing but the interval in common. If you see in this case, what is the interval in common? The interval in common is 5. Then after that 10, 15, 20 and 25. So the difference is 5. So I can write here I equal to 5. From the series only we can find 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25. So the interval is between two numbers. The interval is 5. So I can write here I equal to 5. So you can calculate F1 here. F1 equal to sigma of CF. Sigma of CF, that is 247 divided by N. N is nothing but our sigma of F, that is 80. So how much it is coming? It is coming 3.3 3.0875. The F1 value is 3.0875. Now we can put all the values to the formula. So what we can write? X bar equal to 25 minus 5 into F1. F1 is 3.0871. So let me do it here. X bar equal to X, we know X is 25 minus I equal to, I is the interval in common is 5 into F1 we know 3.0875 minus 1. So how much it is coming? 25 minus 5 into 2 point, this is coming 2.0875. So if you calculate this one, it is coming 25 minus 10.44, which is equal to 14.56. This is our mean by shortest method. So if you see, this is the formula for shortest method, and this is, we got the value for shortest method. So we can take any example and we can find the mean by using discrete or discrete series. So these are the 4 methods we have discussed for discrete series. In the next class, we are going to start continuous series. So we have completed discrete series. If you like the video, please subscribe it and put your comments, share with your friends and give some feedback, and any doubt is there, put in the comment box. Thank you so much.